Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing from the folks over at Paintsomeway. I'm just going to jump right in. I've got two canvases and then an off the canvas items. So I think I'm going to start with this one, just because I don't remember what this one is. So I'm going to open this one first. Also, I can't see it, so even if I remembered, I wouldn't be sure. Ooh, the canvas is stiff, so let me get this going. Ooh, very stiff. Definitely gonna have to put this one under some books or something to get it straightened out. Okay, so typical toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. And here it is. Okay, I think you guys can see all of that. So it's just this very cute sunflower. It's a very simple design. It is a 30 by 40. So let's measure and see how much it measures for the drill field. So it's a little over 24, so almost 24 and a half by, and it's probably going to be off a little bit here, 34 and a half. I've got some puckers here in the cover sheet that keep it from laying completely flat. Roughly 25 by 35, so 30 by 40. It only has 14 drills, so not a huge amount, and it looks like we've got two special drills. We've got one here and then one here on the very edges of the petals. Doesn't have the DMC codes. They'd be crystal codes anyway, not DMC, but either way. All right. Oh, let's check. Is it? Yeah, it's nice and sticky. Let me look here. It doesn't look like, yeah, all the symbols look nice and clear. I don't see any issues with figuring out which color goes where. Could do this one without a light board. All right, so let's look at our drills. We've got 14 drills, like I said. Okay, let's start at the other end, so we're not starting with our special drills. All right, so here's our rhinestones. We've got a very pale yellow, a light blue. Are those the same color? Yes. So two packages of this light blue, because that's the background color, I'm going to guess. A red, a green, a yellow, two more even lighter blue colors, kind of a dark red, a light green, a true green, two different shades of orange, a blue, and then we've got our two marquee shaped special drills in this kind of pale blue color and then in yellow. So interesting that these are blue in there. Be interesting to see how that looks once it's all completed. There are the drills for this one. There, trying to get all my crinkling done off camera. So got the drills back in there, and this one was $6.99. So it is a full crystal. So there's that one. Then let's do our other canvas and see what we get in this one. Oh, I thought it was double bagged for a minute, and I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? Nope, just a really long cover sheet on this one. The canvas on this one is much thinner, rolls up much tighter and easier. So I like that. Again, our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. This one is a round drill kit, as you can see. Not my favorite that it comes in these little baggies, but it does have black printing on them, which is easier for my old eyes to see. And here is our kit. So this is just a very simple, pretty mandala, but full drill. So I thought it was very pretty. I really like the color scheme of this one. So it is 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 23 by 23. 17 colors in this one. And we do get the DMC codes along with the schematic on both sides, so that's nice. So let's see. Yeah, nice and sticky. Okay, so let's open our drills. All right, so we get some dark brown, some kind of burnt, it's like a salmon color, a dark salmon color, I would say. A kind of mauve color. Is that the same color as this one? No, two different mauves. And then a kind of a very light mauve. It's almost a very dusky mauve. And then we get a gray, a brown, a light brown, a turquoise, kind of a sagey gray, dark blue, a tan, a light brown, a pink, a gray, another kind of turquoise, kind of a bluish gray, and a gray. So 17 colors, not very many, but I did, like I said, like the color scheme of this one. I just thought it was pretty. Get all these back into the bag here. And this one, 30 by 30 again, this one was $4.99. Okay, so let's set that one aside. And then we have our cute little off the canvas item. It's been a while since I got an off the canvas item, so I'm curious to see what this one looks like. Okay, so some of the stuff we get is here in our kit, so let me get it out. So in the toolkit, of course, you get your standard tools, boat, plate of wax, pink pin, but this is a pendant. So we get all of these lovely little pieces. We get this chain, the three little attachment pieces, the big crystal that attaches to the end. So I'm going to put those back in here before I lose them. Okay, so we got all of those pieces. And then what we get is this adorable little seahorse. It's going to be a little seahorse like pendant slash sun catcher that you can hang up. So diamond paint on both sides and only 3 drills. So very simple to do. You've got a light blue, a dark blue, and then this gold, that kind of antique yellow that goes on the belly here. The dark blue goes on the back, and then the light blue everywhere else. But just really cute, and I thought it would be a nice, fun, quick project. This one was also $4.99. So just to recap, we've got our pretty blue mandala here. We've got our crystal sunflower, and we've got our cute little seahorse. I will, as always, put links in the description box down below so that you guys can find these and take a look at them, as well as anything else that might catch your eye. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Better picture.